Hi guys, I'm Olivia.
And I'm Don.
And today we are going to do the second question of our Investing for Beginners series. And again, if you have any questions that you want to be answered, let us know down below and we'll definitely get those answered right away. Our question actually comes from an Instagrammer and she wants to know, if she doesn't have a savings account, should she even bother investing?
Well, I got two things to say about that. And the first one is I just learned something. What is an Instagrammer? I did not know that was a term. And the second thing is to answer the question, what do you do about investing when money is tight? The way I'd say that is I think you should go ahead and invest. In your financial situation, we've all got a little bit of disposable income. Now, I take that back. I'd say we all. That's not necessarily true. There are some people that really do not have a lot of disposable income. But if you're working, and that's what I'm presuming, is this is a person that's working, you've got your essential items like food, rent, transportation. But once you get past that point, then it becomes, you have, the luxury items. And it could be a cup of coffee, could be a trip to Starbucks or something like that. And the beautiful thing about what we've got in the world today, financial innovation has created enormous opportunity where you can start putting money away in an investing account using apps like Stash or Acorns, where Acorns, you go to a store and you buy, let's say, a cup of coffee for $2.50. You can round that up to say, make it $3, and that 50 cents, that extra 50 cents, goes into an investing account that you can target. You can literally say, I want to be real aggressive and I want to invest all over the world, or you can say I want to be real conservative and I only want to invest in the US or whatever. The point is, you don't want to deprive yourself too much, but there are certain things that we do in life that are just those little extravagant things. If you can dial those back, and I'm not saying get rid of them, nobody wants to get rid of them, but if you can just dial them back just a little bit and then put some money to work. And when I talk about this, I'm going to give you an example. This is an example that's going to be in the book. Let's say you start with $1,000 when you're 25.
Okay.
And you invest $1,000, and then thereafter, you're going to invest $100 every year. So that's
into
that investing account. So that is less than $10 a month, right? So that, and you compound it at, I'm going to choose what Warren Buffett's done, at 24%. Start at 25. In 50 years, you'll have over $100 million. So so you don't have to. That's what I'm talking about. You don't have to cut back a lot to have a gigantic impact. It's only going to be $240 because you're only going to go from $1,000 to $240 that first year. That
if it keeps
growing, that's the miracle of compounding. And so that's why it's important to start early. It's important to have a little bit of discipline. Again, you don't have to be a miser or anything like that. But if you can get started, even when you might be depriving yourself of some luxury, it can have a huge impact later on.
Wow, well, thank you for answering that question.
I'm glad to do it.
Yeah, just for a recap, if you think that you don't have enough money, there are many apps to help you with that.
So it's not just two apps, it's proliferating all over the place.
And again, if you guys have any other questions that you want to be answered, leave them down below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want any other questions answered, please follow us just to make sure that yours is. See you guys soon.
Bye.